Up first, amidst an increase in financial fraud in the island, one business owner is appealing to other players in the industry to be more vigilant in auditing their finances.
It comes days after one of his workers was charged for stealing over $2.5 million from his company in a scheme which went undetected for weeks.
But just how did it happen? Kalisha Williams has her story.
This is where it all started. Barrett Service Station in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Rohan Barrett is the owner. He outlined the shocking details of how his company found itself in a financial hole.
Sometimes last year, in October, I would say to my operation manager, who is responsible to overseeing I would say to him that I need some money to pay some bills. And you have said to me that enough money is not in the account. Then I said the amount of money that I want, and based on the daily sale that I get, within 3 days I should have enough money. Within 4 days I asked for the check to pay the thing. I was told that there was no money to pay it.
Mr. Barrett said that revelation sent off alarm bells, and he decided to start an investigation. His first point of contact was the accounting clerk.
Then tell me that they were instructed to use the receipt that lodge and match it with the money in the bank. And I said to them, no, it's not so you do it. You have to check it against money earned and money in the bank. Because if they lodge 2 days money, they're only going to give you 2 day receipt. And the other 5 days, you don't get that receipt, you don't check it. And they said, yes, Mr. Bright, that we need that to do it. That's how we do it.
Further checks revealed that about 19 daily transactions from the service station were missing from the account, valuing over $2.5 million. He said his first suspect was the manager who was responsible for logging the daily earnings.
On sure the 19th, she said to us that she take the money and she used it to give to her mother medical expense. And also her mother was involved in an accident and she paid the lawyer. I said, no, Miss Lee, you can't take $2.5 million give lawyer and pay a medical bill.
The matter was later reported to the police, and 30-year-old Sasha Gay Lee was charged with larceny as a servant. She is scheduled to appear before the court on Friday. But as for the operations of the gas station, Mr. Barrett said with construction now going on and limited gas being sold, the incident has put a dent in his operations. For Mr. Barrett, the incident is a wake-up call. He said he had not been personally checking the finances of the service station because he owns several other businesses, which is why he's appealing to other business owners to be more vigilant.
As we have so much bills to pay that we are focused on earning and not focused on looking what is in the bank. So we just have to just step up and just know that, hey, we need to spend a day or a day per week or a day per month and look at our finance.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.